ruined my setup. Hi guys, I'm Tyler, and this is my first time talking in front of a camera, so I'm a little bit awkward, even though I talk to myself all the time. But I'm going to be a freshman in the fall, so I decided to kind of go through my closet and look at all the different clothes that I have and try to narrow it down. So what I'm going to do is pick out some clothes in my closet and style them and see if I want to keep them or not. So if that sounds interesting, please stay. If not, then you're just lame, and that's fine too, but we're gonna do it anyway. I did some laundry and it's still all in the basket, so here's my basket full of clothes, and then everything else is in the closet. So let's just bring everything out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because this is gonna be a journey. We're gonna go through a lot of stuff together, and it's gonna be really, really fun, so stay. So kind of first what I have are all these like t-shirts and things that I thought I would just grab, because I don't wear all of these, but t-shirts are kind of easy to style, so we're just gonna go through and pick some stuff out. I thought this was a little bit less distracting. So I do have like a Pinterest board of inspiration that I am looking at, and I want my clothes to kind of fit that style. I am going to be a freshman, so I think mostly like loungewear is gonna be the deal anyway, which is mostly what I have. But I do want to narrow down like the amount of t-shirts that I have, and like summer shirts that I have that I'm probably not gonna wear that often, and that I still don't wear that often. So yeah, we're gonna keep going.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn. And we style like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Put that on my partner, I put that on my family. Oakland City represent, address me as your majesty. Yeah, you can kiss the ring, but you can never touch the crown. I smoke a million Swisher blunts and I ain't never coming down. Bitch, you ain't no Barbie, I see you work at Arby's. Never
think that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys want me to do another one, because I have all of these clothes that I still haven't really tried on, and so many different other outfits that I could do, but this is just what I did for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be doing a video every week, and you know, if you just want to be a part of the adventure, because it can only go uphill from here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, comment which one was your favorite. Let me know if you guys like the outfits, and I'll see you guys next time.